It's finally here, the Bobcat Miner 300. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your homeowners and your car insurance. The Bobcat 300 miners are officially here. As you guys know, I used to mine Ethereum in the bull run, but I have sold all of my Ethereum mining rigs. And I used some of those profits to buy other different forms of miners. And I ended up purchasing 3 Helium miners almost a year ago. And they are officially here. So in today's video, I will be doing a full unboxing of these. They just arrived like 10 minutes ago. I was expecting the box to be a lot bigger for some reason, but it is pretty small. But I will be unboxing it today, showing you guys exactly what's in the box. And I will be making a lot more videos later on, showing you how to set them up, show you if they're still profitable, how much money they're making, all of that important information. These will be my first Helium miners, but I did order other miners as well that go into your car and some other weird stuff. So hopefully those show up this month or next month as well, so I can show you them as well. But now let's get right into it. Let's open this box to see exactly what we got. All right, I do have my address on the back, so I'll try to keep that hidden, but let's see. They did package this extremely well. I tried shaking it to see if anything was loose in there, but everything was super well packaged. Oh, here we go. The whole chair is wiggling. Let me see. All right. Whew. Let's see. All right. So here's the first one. It comes in this white box. The People's Miner, Bobcat Miner 300. As you can see in the box, I have like 2 other ones. My initial plan with these was to get like as many of them as possible and then put them in like all of my rental properties and just have them mine away and make me even more profits. Let's check this one out. All right. So here are the do's and don'ts and the dangers. Some step 1 instructions. Let's see. Put all this away. Little sticker with some dates and some warranty information. All right. So this is the standard antenna that it comes with. It does got some weight to it. Some bolts to, I guess, put it on the wall. This goes to the antenna as well. Let's see what this is. All right. I guess this is part of the antenna as well. Right here is the power supply, and right here is the actual miner. Also, it comes with this little thing. It looks like the thing that you take out your SIM card on your iPhone. All right, let me open this. All right, kaboom. Check it out. In my opinion, it is way smaller than I expected. Also, it is super light. Literally, my iPhone feels lighter than this. But here's all the connections. Looking good. Can't wait to test this out. Can't wait to set everything up, connect it, and put this bad boy to work. All right, so that is the unboxing. That is how it comes. I have 2 more. They pretty much are exactly the same, so I won't be unboxing those. I will be ordering antennas as well for these because I have been doing a ton of research and you need better antennas to make more money to get bigger reach. So I will be ordering those off of Amazon. So stay tuned for those videos as well. Also, if you are interested in these Bobcat miners, I will have a link for them in the description box below. So if you want to start mining Helium and you want to make some passive income, check it out. Link will be in the description box below. Obviously, you're not going to make millions of dollars, but some passive income is better than no passive income. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick little unboxing. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you want me to make any specific content about these Bobcat miners, let me know in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Peace out.